Up, bro?
Hey, what's up?
Hello, where you from?
I'm
What's
from
up? Where you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
I
What
didn't
about?
mean to join in your live. Hey, send me your best song. What do you got? Give me some pipes.
Sure, sure. You would get from me, no worries. So, where are you from?
No, sing me a song. Give me your best song.
Oh, my best song.
Sing me your best song.
Best song.
Sing. No pressure. No pressure.
Look, I
No,
can't
no
really.
honesty here.
I
No,
don't
there's no
know.
honesty.
my
This
my
is some
voice is
fucking militia.
my voice is very
There's some
bad.
militia shit. There's no honesty here.
Yeah.
It's all fucking games. I'm going straight for the neck. There's no honesty. Sing me your best song.
So, well, look, I don't know any song because my voice is very bad, but I like to listen. So could you send me any of your best song?
I'm just kidding. I'm so sorry.
No,
I'm
it's
so sorry.
okay.
We joined somehow and I didn't even realize that we were gonna join together. So I'm so sorry. You're doing great. Keep it
Yeah,
up, man. Love
yeah.
you, fam.
All right.
Yeah.
I
I'll
have.
back